Have you noticed all the negative stories and commentary on the keto diet recently? I have, and I wanted to start a conversation, not a controversy, over the reasoning behind some people not liking keto, having negative commentary about it. It's not healthy, it's not sustainable, numerous reasons why it's getting a bad rap. So I decided to start a video looking at the reasons different groups don't like keto, or at least don't promote it. 4 groups that I'd like to look at in this series are doctors and dietitians, institutions such as the AMA, the Mayo Clinic, hospitals in general, the media, including media personalities, celebrities, and TV shows, and personal opinions of others on YouTube and other platforms. I'm starting this series with physicians and dietitians because I have the most experience with that. My personal physician and my personal dietitian. So let's get started. So the doctors and dietitians that I've seen recently still promote the food pyramid from the 1970s. I'm advised to eat lots of fruit, lots of whole grains, lots of bread, and limit my fat intake and my protein intake. At the time, I didn't think anything of it. I didn't know about keto. I had no idea. I was following my doctor and my dietitian's instructions. But now that I've come to understand the keto diet and its benefits, now I have a lot of questions. I want to explore my doctor and dietitian's goals, motivation, and any hidden agendas that they might have. So I would assume that my doctor and my dietitian both have a goal to help their patients. They want to make sure they have the right medications, the right diagnosis, that they're healthy, that they're happy, and if they can't cure whatever the issue is, they can at least make them more comfortable. We don't cure the disease, we help you live with it. So assuming those are the goals of doctors and dietitians, what's their motivation behind these goals? I would assume it's to grow their practice, to add more patients, to make their patients happy, to stay in good standing with their peers, fellow doctors and dietitians, the medical community at large, and then pharmaceutical companies and hospitals. As I'm thinking of the motivation of the doctors and the dietitians, one of my questions is why would they still promote the food pyramid from 45 years ago? If their patients aren't losing weight and aren't getting healthier, why do you keep going back to the food pyramid and promoting 180 grams of carbs per day? That's what I've heard from my doctors and dietitians in the last 5 years, in the last 1 year, in the last month. If it doesn't seem to be helping the patients by promoting the food pyramid and a high-carb diet, why do they keep prescribing it and promoting it? My theory behind that is that they want to keep their practice growing. If you think about it, keto doesn't cost anything except food. You don't have to go to the doctor. You don't have to take medication. You don't have to do anything expensive. You just don't eat as much, and you eat more fat and less carbs. It's that simple. So I'm thinking maybe that's the reasons doctors and dietitians don't even mention the keto diet. If people went on the keto diet, why would they need a dietitian? They wouldn't. Why would they need to go see their doctor every month or 2 months? They wouldn't. So one of my theories is doctors and dietitians want to keep you fat, dumb, and happy. Keep eating lots of bread, get fat, then you have other issues with your body, your kidneys, your livers, your feet, your limbs, your eyesight, a host of things that can happen as you get overweight. And the risks to diabetics is even higher. Nerve damage, loss of limbs, loss of eyesight, kidney damage or kidney failure, the list goes on. So my thoughts are, with my doctor and my dietitian, it's simply the way they've always done it. The pharmaceuticals and the hospitals promote the same theory of the food pyramid, lots of carbs, no fat. They're all in it together to keep you coming back for more office visits. I don't think it's intentional. I don't think they want to harm people. Doctors and dietitians' livelihood depends on patients returning and getting new patients as patients pass. Again, I don't think this is intentional. I think it's just institutional, the way that they were taught and the way that their peers practice medicine. I just want to share what I've learned on the keto diet so far in my short 6 weeks and let others make their own decision. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on the subject. Please leave me a comment and let me know whether you agree or disagree. I love hearing all comments and other people's thoughts and ideas. That's what America is all about. If you enjoy my episodes, please click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and take care.